Hello everyone, this is Crystal. I apologize for the video. The fan is on the entire time and I keep saying so just be aware. Thanks.
Hello YouTube, how are you? I'm doing really well. I just got out of the shower, wet hair, no makeup. I'm a state of Michigan certified journey electrician, so I have my state license. I love makeup, but I've been in the factories, different factories for probably 2097. I can't do the math. So I started in 1997 to 2007 to 2017. So that 1920. So 23 years I've been working in factories, and so I don't wear makeup to work. It's usually a pretty toxic environment. And I don't do my hair, I ponytail it, but I love makeup. I buy makeup all the time and I never use it. The reason I wanted to start this was because I just got Curology, and it was really easy to get. It's only $4.95 shipping. If you go on the website, it's available for everyone. I used one of my favorite YouTubers, Shelly from Geek Out of Water. I used her link, and you can do that for your favorite YouTuber or just go right to the website. And then you'll see the unboxing. I got the specifically made skincare and a moisturizer a moisturizer and a face wash. And I just started. I've only been on it for a week, and I'm gonna add some pictures that you send to the Curology people, and then they make your little mixture.
Hello, this is Crystal. These are the pictures I sent to the provider at Curology. They want a front-facing photo and then a left side and a right side. Then once they take a look, I received a message from my provider about, she asked a couple questions, and then it just took maybe a day, and then she had my formula.
Let's see. Mine, I don't have it with me, but I will grab it and let you know what mine is. So after a week, I'm still breaking out, still oily. Oh, and I'm 50 years old. And at the end of the video, we're going to do a tip for the day. And since it's Thursday, I'm calling it the tip for Thursday. Get it? Because it's Thursday. I know, kind of lame. Let me go grab that. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to put the unboxing here. Here it is.
This is me trying to record my first video, the unboxing of Curology. I am very nervous, and for whatever reason, I am unable to speak to the camera. So I just started doing the unboxing. It came, wow, I can't even remember how long it took for it to come because it was during the COVID, the pandemic, so it took a little while. And when I received it, I thought I was just going to get the little bottle of the serum, but I got a cleanser and a moisturizer with it, so I'm showing all that too. And I need to quit saying I know. So here's the moisturizer, and I'm sorry, that was the cleanser. This is the moisturizer. The moisturizer is all right. It is silicone based, So I prefer not to use those at night.
Cleanser. You get 40 milliliters, and it's just a non-soap cleanser. It looks like this. It looks like clear, goopy. See, it's not my favorite. I like the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Cleanser. That's what I'm using now. And then I have the moisturizer. It's right here, and it's a silicone moisturizer, unscented, but it's, I don't like it for nighttime. I'll use it in the daytime. And this is the Curology. This is the made for me. Niacinamide 4%, tretinoin 0.01%, azelaic acid 2%. So you see, after a week I'm still just breaking out and oily, still red. So they're supposed to work with you to get your formula right, and I have no way to contact the doctor who did my initial consultation. I left a message with customer service, and I did not receive an email, so I guess I gotta go on their website. They don't have an app, but their website is, it's online, and it's pretty simple. But there's no way to contact it. Like, they closed my initial consultation, and now I can't communicate with my provider. So we'll have to see what happens there. But so far, it hasn't really made a difference. I know it's only a week. This is what it looks like. It's worked out from there. And I know I'm wasting, but it does soak in really nicely. And so they have it's a 90-day or a 60-day guarantee. So if you don't like it, because your first bottle that's only $4.95, that's going to be a month, and then I'm going to order just the bottle for the next month, and that's $19.99 plus $4.95 shipping. So you can get other options when you go on the website. You'll see, but that's what I'm going to get, and see if it gets any better. Hopefully it will. But 1 weekend, not any difference. Although the provider did tell me to use a zinc pyrithione soap, 2%. And also Dr. Dray, another one of my favorite YouTubers, has mentioned that too. I don't remember if she said skin, but I know she for sure said hair. I think she said skin too. Anyway, they told me that I should use that on my body for any back knee, pimples, whatnot, and that is really working well. That is drying things up, and it's summertime. I'm working in a hot factory, no air, so I really like that so far. So that's it about Curology. So far, so good. I'll be back next Thursday with more info. And to wrap up, our tip for the day, for Thursday, gotta get used to this. Our tip for Thursday is that power strips can go bad. A lot of people don't realize that the power strips they plug all their appliances and whatnot into can go bad. For example, my mom had one connected to her stove, and her stove stopped working. We checked the power strip, and it was the power strip, not the stove. So, if you ever run into that where you have a power strip, check the power strip to make sure it's working. And one way you can do that is to plug it into a different outlet and then plug in an appliance and see if it runs. So that's a pretty simple one. I hope it's helpful. I am here to help. Thank you for listening to my skincare makeup journey.